Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to humanize ChatGPT text. So firstly, if you have a text from ChatGPT, for example, I've got this text here. So now to humanize this, first what we can do, the couple of ways we can do this. Firstly, we can do this through a ChatGPT prompt as well. So once you have like your a ChatGPT text which you think needs to be like humanized, so what you're going to do is you're going to type in this prompt here. So for example, a couple of things. Firstly, tell them that keep the sentences under 15 words in length. Next, don't use extremely niche vocabulary. Third one, ensure the content is easy to read, aiming for high school reading level. So just type in this prompt and then ChatGPT will rephrase, will rephrase and make it more humanized on their results. So as you can see, this is now has been changed and this now looks a bit more humanized than the previous version. So this is one way of doing it. But if you need something more, like in addition to these, you need more, you need it to be humanized a level more than this. Then what you can do is, you can like copy these texts. So copy the recent text. So just copy that. Okay. So for example here, so just copy it, and then copy the text, and then go to Google, type in Humanize AI, and then go to this website here, humanizeai.pro. So this site will actually humanize the text for you. So all you have to do is simply paste the text here. Okay, paste the text here and then click on Humanize AI, and this will now do it for you. So it will try to like humanize it for you. And this is another way of doing it. If you want it to be humanized even more, it's like one step ahead or further. And that's basically pretty much it is. Hope the video helps.